In this video, let us learn more information about the battery, what is a timeout indication, when does AUSION device give a low battery warning, what is a critically low battery warning, where you can purchase a new set of batteries, and how to replace batteries in your device. When you purchase AUSION, the device comes along with a pre-installed 9-volt battery. AUSION is designed to work for over a period of up to 6 months under normal usage on a single battery. Please note that the battery is not rechargeable and cannot be charged like a mobile phone battery. Because AUSION has to work for up to 6 months on a single battery, it has the intelligence to switch off automatically after about 15 minutes of operation. Before it switches off, AUSION gives a timeout warning indication like this. When you hear this tune, all you need to do to continue to use the device is press the main button once. That's about it. Once AUSION detects the pressing of the key, it will continue to work for another 15 minutes. If AUSION does not detect any key press after about 15 minutes, it gives the warning tone and switches off in 1 minute. This is done to preserve the battery life of the device. AUSION's battery is designed to last up to 6 months under normal operation. As you begin to use AUSION regularly, it will continue to drain the installed battery. When AUSION detects that the battery life is getting low, it gives a warning indication to the user. When you switch on the device, normally you will hear this tune. However, when the battery is low, you will hear an additional tune during startup like this. Thus, if you hear this musical indication tune, you will recognize that the battery life is getting close to completion. AUSION will continue to work for approximately a week after this indication. All the functions will work properly, but please replace the battery during this week. During this phase, when the battery is low, each time AUSION is switched on, you will hear this tune. If you continue to use AUSION even after getting the low battery warning indication during startup, you may run into the situation where the battery can get critically low, which means that it can drain out very soon. When the battery is critically low, during startup you will hear this tune. Once you get this critically low battery warning, AUSION may work for about a day, but the range may be limited. We strongly encourage you to immediately replace the battery. AUSION's battery is a standard 9-volt one that is used in several commercially available toys. Thus, you should easily be able to find a spare battery at your local electronics store or even a toy store. The battery should not cost you more than 25 to 30 rupees. Now, let us learn how to replace the battery. Open the battery compartment like this. Insert your fingernail to the edge of the battery cover, press the lever and pull it out. Once you remove the old battery, you will notice that there are two distinct markings inside which you can feel by your hand. There is a round marking with a plus sign inside and a pentagon marking with a minus sign inside. Observe that the battery also has a pentagon terminal and a round terminal. So, matching the marking in the device and insert the battery. Round terminal matching the round sign on the device and the pentagon terminal matching the similar sign. Please observe how the person removes the battery, displays the plus and the minus sign on the device side, shows the pentagon and round terminals in the battery, and places a fresh battery into AUSION. Let us summarize. AUSION's battery cannot be charged like your mobile phone. AUSION's battery lasts up to 6 months under normal usage. When the battery gets low, you will hear this tune during startup. Battery will last up to a week in this condition. When the battery gets critically low, you will hear this tune during startup. You need to replace them urgently. Battery may last less than 1 day in this condition. Replacing the battery is easy. Match the symbol marking on the device with the terminal shape on the battery.